Welcome back, friends. We have been discussing Code Forces round 805 div 3 round. So in this video we will discuss problem D, named as not a cheap string. So before proceeding to the video, I will like to announce that this video is sponsored by Newton School, which provide full stack development course. So either you are from any stream, you can avail, and it is pay after placement type of business idea. So you will get 5 to 40 LPA placement, guaranteed placement, and after that you have to pay. So pay for the course. So please have a visit. Link is given in the description box. So now, without wasting our time, we will move to our problem. So not a cheap string. So it is given that let uh, 1 second. So let S be a string of lowercase Latin letter. So lowercase Latin letter means a to small z, or so its price is the sum of indices of letters, an integer between 1 and 26. So A's price is 1, B price is 2, C price is 3, dot dot dot, Z price is 26, as you have understood it very well. So for example, the price of a string is ABCA is 1 plus 2, its price is 1, 2, 3 and 1. So its sum give up 7. So now we know the price of a string, right? So the string W and P are given. So you will be given a string named W and an integer P. Remove the minimum number of letters from W so that its price become less than or equal to P. So we need to remove the letter from string W, right? So let's say this is given, and time complexity, if you see that 2 into 10 to the power 5, so we can pass either order n or order n log n solution. ठीक है, right? So now we will come to example. So there will be total 5 test cases, sorry. So 5 test cases. So first test case is A, B, C, A, and we need to make the score less than equal to 2 after deleting some of the element. So let's say what is the score? 1, 2, 3, 1. So we need to we have to print the longest string that is obtained from W, right? So we need longest string. No, lexicographically not mentioned. So any string we can give, and if there are multiple answer, you can print any of them, right? You can output any of them, right? So let's say we have a score A, B, C, A. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and we need to make it less than equal to 2. Now total score is, right now total score is 7, right? So we need maximum longest string. So for the longest string, we need to remove. Let's say we remove any character. So greedily you can have a think that if you remove character with maximum score, then our score will decrease much faster with decrease in number of the character less. So decrement in number of character will be less. So let's say I remove C, then let's say total score is 7. So if I remove C, then our score will become 4. So let's say we have to get score 4. Let's say we had a score 4. I am little bit changing the problem. So either we can remove A or B together, or C. So what will be the better to remove, better character to remove? So the better character will be C, which having, so we will greedily remove character having max score, and we also need to find the positions. So let's say let's say A, B, C, we had initial character. So in case of if we delete any character from this string, then it will take order of n time. So we cannot delete character. This is implementation part one by one. So we have to first mark the character that we will remove, right? So we will mark, let's say A, B, C. So let's say we have to remove C, then I will remove C and put some other character other than small case Latin character, right? So for marking, I will need to store the position of characters, right? So let's say I have to remove A, in the case A, B, C, A. Let's say I have to remove 2A, right? So if you know that A's position is 1, 4, then we can traverse through it and remove this, right? Mark it as they are not present, right? You can use any character to mark it other than lowercase Latin character. I had used dot, right? So I will need map which will map to ABC Z and its position. So if you create a map with the character to the positions, like character, keys character and values vector of int, then you can also solve. But what I am using, I will consider A, B, C, right, this Z and number. You can use character, I have used integer. Why I have used integer? Because it will also tell me score, right? It will tell me score and position, right? Then what I will do, like while it is given that, let's say first I have calculated total score, that is sum of these values. So how to calculate sum? Character, let's say I have put integer sum equal to 0, and I will traverse through string traverse and add sum plus equal to, let's say wi minus a plus 1. This will give me a score directly. This will relatively find the subtraction of ASCII value of wi and a. So let's say wi equal to a, then this will give me 0, but we needed 1, so that's why I have added 1. So we got the final score, right? Now we know we have a map which is telling me the positions 1, 2 dot dot dot. Let's say 26 Z is also present. The number which will be present, we will only consider this, that. So we have this position as a vector. We know that here, let's say 1 and 4, 2's position is 2, something like that. We have map. Now we need to find we need to decrement score till score less than equal to p. So what I will do, like I will have loop while score less than equal to p, right? This will be the case. We will have to and in this we will do deletion process, and from there we will get some score will decrease, so minus some value. So until this will run until score less than equal to p, and then we will get our string, right? So so now we'll discuss how. So what is the what was our observation? We'll try to remove max scoring character until our score will become less than equal to p, right? So I will better explain with my code, so that will give you better overview. So So you can see that I have calculated score and I have put value in the map positions, and this will loop goes on till a score is greater than p, because we need score less than equal to p. If a score become less than or equal to p, it will break and we will come out of this for while loop, sorry. And as we can see that we needed to remove maximum scoring character, so that's why this scoring from Z I have started, and one by one I tried to remove and decrease the score, right? And score minus equal to I, because let's say I am removing Z, then if Z is present I am removing, then score will decrease by 26, right? And I have marked it as at that position dot, as you can see. So I mark, and if a score become less than equal to p, then we will break and again come out of the for loop if a score become less than equal to p. And in the final process, final step, what we will do, we have got a string with some value a b c dot dot dot, let's say p q dot dot, then we will have to remove the dot. So I have taken another string as answer and I started if it's in lowercase character. If it's dot, I am just iterating to the next value, so it will add a b c, then continue, then p q. It will ignore if it not equal to p, then only I am adding, right? So finally we will get our answer. So this was the whole algorithm. I hope that you understand the solution completely. So if you have understood, so please like the video and share to your friends community, and also subscribe to channel. It will give me feel of some type of appreciation that you are giving as an audience. So thank you very much. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.